on in. Welcome to Displayit at Church. I have something I just have to show you. We have received so many requests for a lightweight, portable, maybe temporary safety area for your in-person worship. We've created this combo package, pre-designed, ready to print as you see it here. The work's been done for you. This package has an over 8-foot tall back wall, 5 feet wide, and also comes with this counter. What's great is they're both made of fabric, stretched around a frame. This means that they're both lightweight and portable. The counter has a large surface area and even storage in the back. This is perfect for distributing all of the safety supplies you're going to need. We envisioned that you could use this station to distribute all of your safety needs, hand sanitizer, mask, and even take temperature checks. In addition to the black and white version, we have another design option. I just love this design. It's bright, geometric patterns, colorful, works with any decor. You know who loves this? Children's ministry leaders. Let's talk about how this display works. This is a tubular aluminum system for the frame, and it just snaps together, no tools required. And the graphic is like a giant pillowcase. You just pull it over the top, zip it at the bottom, and you've got a backdrop. I know what you're thinking. Why would you spend this kind of money on something that's temporary? And we all hope that this COVID thing goes away and it's temporary. But changing out the graphics is super simple. When you order the Safety Station package, you also get, as part of this combination, a new set of graphics to use later. We have pre-designed, ready to print, just like you see them. So we've taken the work out, and you can create a guest services booth or an information station, KidMin check-in, any of the different things that you will need to make this package usable for years and years. So that's it, the Safety Station combo. If you've got questions, just leave it in the comments below or give us a call. I'd really like to help you get what you need.